Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to hide followers on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone or tablet. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From there, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right. Tap those to open the main menu. This is where we'll start adjusting your privacy settings to control who sees your followers. After opening the main menu, look for and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the controls for your account's visibility. Within Settings and Privacy, find and select Account Privacy. Here, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Private Account. Simply tap this switch to turn it on. This action immediately makes your account private, meaning only approved followers can see your content and follower list. Once your account is private, you'll have more control over who follows you. Go to your follower requests to approve or deny new requests. You can also go to your existing follower list and remove anyone you no longer wish to share your content with. For an even stronger measure, you can block specific users. Blocking prevents them from finding your profile or seeing any of your posts, ensuring your privacy. Beyond making your account private, you can further enhance your privacy. Explore settings to limit who can tag or mention you in their posts and stories. Also, adjust your story sharing settings to control who sees your temporary content. Remember, maintaining privacy is an ongoing process. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.